Hello, amazing fourth graders. This is Mrs. Notzel. And today for math, you have a paper packet at home if you were at school on Tuesday. But since Wednesday is an e-learning day, I wanted to read aloud the math paper in case you had any questions. So you can pause this whenever you need to. You can replay it, go back and replay it, whatever you need to do. Okay? So, day one, place value and comparing numbers. Number one, select all the options with 54,625 written in expanded form. First choice, 5 10,000s, 46 hundreds, and 25 ones. Second choice, 5 10,000s, 4,000s, 62 hundreds, and 5 ones. Third choice, 50,000s, 46 hundreds, 20 tens, and 5 ones. And the last choice, 50,000s, 40 hundreds, 60 tens, and 25 ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, do the best job that you can. We are going to go over this when we return to school on Thursday. So just do the best that you can. Try your hardest. Number one does have 3 correct answer choices. Number 2, select all correct statements. 529 is greater than 295. Second one, 295 is less than 259. The third one, 259 is less than 295. Fourth one, 295 is less than 259. And the last one, 259 is equal to 295. Number 3, match the name of each number with its numeric form. The first one says 605,000. So you need to find the number up at the top that says 605,000 and then just put an X or a check in that box. The second one says 600,050. 600,050. Number 4, write 6 times 10,000 plus 5 times 1,000 plus 2 times 100 plus 3 as a standard form number. Number 5, the number of seats in the football stadiums of 4 universities are shown. University of Michigan, 109,900 seats. Pennsylvania State University, 107,572 seats. Purdue University, 57,236 seats. And University of Illinois, 60,670 seats. We want you to put those 4 numbers in order from greatest to least. So the biggest number to the smallest number. And number 6, write these numbers in standard form. A says 28 tens. So 28 tens, what does that equal? That's like 28 times 10. What does that equal? Letter B, 4 hundreds plus 12 tens plus 18 ones equals. Now remember, when you have 12 tens, that's like 120. So you have to take that 100 and add it on to the hundreds place. Then letter C, 5 hundreds plus 7 tens plus 2 ones. And letter D, 9 hundreds plus 73 ones. All right, then that is the end of the first worksheet. The second worksheet, we're going to go down a little bit, and we're going to be on day 10. And day 10 says, add and subtract fractions and real world problems. Number 1, what is the value of the expression 1/6 plus 1/6? Now remember, ladies and gentlemen, you do not add the denominators, only the numerators. The denominators stay the same. Number 2, what is the value of the expression 92 hundredths minus 49 hundredths? Number 3, what is the value of the expression 3 and 2/3 plus 5 and 1/3? Does that equal A, 8 and 3/6, B, 8, C, 9, or D, 8 and 1/3? Number 4, what is the value of the expression 2/10 plus 11 or plus 9/10? Write the number as an improper fraction and a mixed number. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and a mixed number is where you have a whole number and then a fraction. So draw a picture if you need to. Number 5, what number should replace the question mark in the expression below? 5/6 plus blank over 6 equals 1. Now remember, 1 whole is when the numerator and the denominator are the same number. So you're looking for an answer of 6/6. Number 6, which expressions show different ways to express 7/8? Select all correct answers. A, 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 5/8. Letter B, 6/8 plus 1/8. Letter C, 3/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. Or D, 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7. That answer has 2 correct choices. Number 7, what is the sum of 2 and 2/3 and 1 and 2/3? Remember, sum means to add. That's the answer to an addition problem. Number 8, Mrs. Johnson has a Twizzler that measures 1/8 of a foot. Mrs. Dennison has a Twizzler that measures 5/8 of a foot. How many feet of Twizzlers do Mrs. Johnson and Mrs. Dennison have all together? Make sure you're paying attention to those key words, all together. That means to add. Number 9, part A. Edward can read 3/4 of a book in 1 week. At this pace, how many books can he read in 8 weeks? Part B, number 9, part B. Edward reads 12 books during the summer. Out of the 12 books he reads, 2/3 of them are nonfiction. Edward claims he has read 8 nonfiction books. Is Edward correct? Use numbers, words, and/or symbols to support your answer. And finally, number 10. Emma's cat had a litter of 8 kittens. Emma gives 1 kitten to her uncle and 1 kitten to her cousin. Part A, what fraction of the litter of kittens does Emma have left? Write your answer as a fraction. And then part B, Emma gives 4/6 of the remaining kittens to friends. How many kittens does Emma have left? That is all of the questions for the math that you need to do for e-learning. Remember, we will be going over these when we get back to school. So just do the best that you can. Pause the video as many times as you need. Listen to the problems read again. If you have any questions, please reach out to Miss Anthony, Mrs. Davis, or myself, Mrs. Notzel, and we will be more than happy to help you. Have a great e-learning day and look forward to seeing you all at school on Thursday.